Welcome back to our Scale by SEO series. I promise to turn down the mountain metaphors in this video. You made it to part 3, where we'll discuss how to maintain your hard-earned search rankings and stay ahead of the competition. By now, you understand the basics of SEO and have some practical tips to improve your online visibility. Today, we're focusing on how to keep your momentum going and solidifying your position at the top of search results. Remember, getting to the top is only half the battle. Staying there, that's where the real challenge begins. First things first, consistency is key. Here's how to maintain your high rankings. Number 1, regular content updates. Keep your website fresh with new, relevant content. This keeps both visitors and search engines engaged. Number 2, monitor your rankings. Keep an eye on your position, using SEO tools to track your rankings and spot any dips before they become significant drops. Number 3, stay on top of SEO trends. The SEO landscape is always changing. Stay informed about algorithm updates and adjust your strategy accordingly. Number 4, build and maintain backlinks. Continue to earn high-quality backlinks from reputable sites. This reinforces your site's authority and credibility. Number 5, optimize for user experience. Ensure your site is fast, mobile-friendly, and easy to navigate. A great user experience is crucial to both visitors and search engines alike. Feeling overwhelmed by the constant need to maintain and improve? That's where we come in. At Scale by SEO, we're your experienced guides, ready to help you maintain your hard-earned position. Visit www.scalebyseo.com to book a strategy session so that we can discuss how to keep your website performing at its very best. Now, let's talk about staying ahead of the competitors. In the world of SEO, there's always another business trying to climb to the top of Google Mountain, and they don't mind stepping on your keywords to get there. Here's how to stay ahead. Number 1, analyze your competitors. Keep an eye on what other businesses in your niche are doing. Understanding their strategies can help you redefine your own. Number 2, find and fill content gaps. Identify topics your competitors haven't covered and create high-quality content to fill these gaps. This can set you apart in your industry. Number 3, improve existing content. Don't just create new content, enhance your existing pages. This can give you an edge over the competitors who are only focused on creating new material. Number 4, focus on your unique value proposition. Highlight what makes your business special. This is your secret weapon in standing out from the crowd. And number 5, engage with your audience. Respond to comments, participate in industry discussions, and be active on social media. Building relationships with your audience can create loyal followers and customers alike. Remember, maintaining high search ranking requires constant effort, but the rewards in terms of visibility and business growth are well worth it. This wraps up our 3-part series on scaling the heights of SEO. We've covered the basics, shared practical tips, and now you know how to maintain your position at the top of search results. If you found this series helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. We've got plenty more SEO wisdom to share to keep your digital marketing skills sharp. Now it's your turn to join the conversation. What's your biggest SEO challenge? Share it in the comments below, and you might see us tackle it in our next video. Your question could be the key to unlocking success for fellow marketers on this SEO journey. Remember, at Scale by SEO, we're not just here to guide you to the top, we're here to help you build lasting online success. So stay tuned for more videos where we'll continue equipping you with all the tools to boost those search rankings faster than a mountain goat on an espresso rush.